Hi students. Now in this video we are take the very important concept of the chapter, that is carbonates compounds. The next chapter concept is homologous series. This is very important concept. In the as a point of examination, a one question must be rises here. Okay, from this concept, like 2 marks or 1 marks question. So here homologous series. So which series is called as a homologous series, and what are the condition to say that the particular hydrocarbons are homologous in series, right? So let us see the definition, and some conditions are be hidden in the definition. If that conditions are satisfied by the any hydrocarbon chain or series, then we say that the given series is nothing but what having the homologous series, right? So let us find that the conditions which are be hidden in the definition, right? So first one very important, that is 1 marks question, that is define homologous series. Okay, you have a definition. So what is the definition of homologous series here? See, a series is said to be homologous series, okay, but the conditions are there. For which series we say the homologous series? The number one point here we see here, same functional group, that is number one point. Okay, I mark here, that is number one point, which have to be same functional group, right? A series is said to be homologous series. The number one condition is, that is hidden in the definition, okay, that is a same functional group. So in the last video we learn okay, we learn about the homologous, we learn about the functional group, right? Heteroatoms and functional group. If you not see that video, means in the description I give the video of that link of that video. Okay, go and watch that video about functional group, right? Then that video we are learn about the functional group, that is alcohol, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid, right? So like that, their functional group is important. Okay, first the same having functional group. If a series is given, in the series is given, if the series having same functional group, for example it is all alcohol or all aldehyde or all ketone, okay, only one functional group, that is similar functional group, we say that same functional group or similar functional group, first condition. Then the second condition, okay, in the place of hydrogen, right, that is called heteroatoms, and the second one, the successive difference by the difference is, that is what the successive difference between the two compound is how much, that is what CH2, okay, CH2 are also 14 units. Why 14 unit? Because see, the carbon atomic mass is 12 plus hydrogen is 1 plus 1, 2 hydrogen means total 14, right? This is the answer. Okay, 12 for carbon atomic mass, and H2 means 1 plus 1 is for hydrogen, and 2 means 1 plus 1, that is total 14 unit mass. Okay, so these are the two conditions. If these two conditions satisfied by any series, then that series is called as a homologous series, right? Now if you not clear it totally, so let us see the examples. Okay, if you see the example, you get understand the question. Okay, so number one point, first condition is, first remember the condition. Okay, I write here side. Okay, the first condition is what? The first condition is same functional group. Okay, first check this one. Okay, the first is same functional group or similar functional group. Okay, again, if the same functional group means, that also called as the same chemical properties. Okay, same chemical properties, same chemical properties, that is important. Same chemical property meaning that the compound having same functional group. If the having alcohol means the chemical property is all about alcohol. If aldehyde means chemical property is aldehyde. So that is what the same functional group. How we find the same functional property, chemical property? It is by using the functional group. If having the same functional group, we say that the same chemical property, right? The next one is, okay, the next one is the difference. Okay, difference how much? The difference must be CH2. Okay, this is second condition. And also one condition, that is that also one condition which are not mentioned in this definition, that condition is having same general molecular formula. Molecular formula means, that is what about alkane, alkene and alkynes. Okay, the condition is, if they having the same chemical functional group, if they having the difference is CH2, meaning they having the same functional group, that meaning difference is CH2 meaning they having the same molecular formula, that is what maybe alkane, maybe alkene, maybe alkyne. Okay, so that is we call alkane series, alkyne series or alkene series, right? So that is what condition. Okay, these are the condition and another one is with their same physical proper trend in, okay, trend in physical properties, physical property means that is in boiling point and melting point. Okay, so when we in the series we observe that increase in the melting point, increase in the boiling point. Okay, that is because of the increase in the mass, right? So that is what physical trend. Okay, physical trend means melting point and boiling point. Okay, boiling point and melting point, that is what physical trend, right? So let us see, by using these conditions, if any series satisfies these conditions, then we say that compound is that series is nothing but what? Homologous series, right? So I can take first family, that is about alkane. Okay, example, I can take about alkane. Okay, alkane family. Okay, so let us see. So we know that alkane family is general formula CnH2n plus 2. Okay, that is one. Now the first member of alkane is what? Methane, that is what? CH4, right? CH4. I can use one functional group, that is I can use alcohol is a functional group. So for example, I can write here OH. OH is the alcohol functional group, right? I take, for simplification, I take OH. Okay, maybe they give aldehyde, ketones, okay, carbonic acid. So I can give, for example, OH. Second is the first member. Second member, sorry, if it is display, okay, with 3 OH. Why 3 OH? See here, we know about that is number H, and one H is replaced by the, see here, the functional group is replaced by the one hydrogen. So I remove this hydrogen and in place of that I can take OH. So here see, C 1 2 3 H 1 OH. Okay, that is CH3OH, right? The next is C2. Okay, the next to C2 means how much? C2 means 4 6. 6 means we take 5 because of we replace one hydrogen by OH. Okay, one less because of that, like that. 2. Okay, H and H. So in place of one H I can write take a 2H. Okay, displacement. Okay, the functional group is a substrate for the one hydrogen. Okay, one hydrogen remove here, in the place of that I can OH. So one less means it is 6, it is 5 and it's OH. Okay, like that. And next come to next point, take another one. Okay, there are so many there, pentane, hexane, butane. So it is methane, ethane and then propane. Okay, propane means 3 means here 6 6 8. Okay, 6 8 means we can 7. Okay, because one displaced by OH. Let us see, now check whether this is an homologous series or not. Okay, so now we have to take a problem and we want to check that this is a homologous series, yes or not. Okay, so now to check it is. So first condition, having same functional group. Okay, the first condition for homologous is same functional group. See here. Okay, same functional group. See here. OH means what? Having same functional group. So first common condition is what? Same functional group. It is satisfied. Okay, this is okay. This is okay because OH is same functional group. And the second condition is what here? The second condition is differ is CH2. The difference between first and second and the third. Okay, the difference between first and second and the difference between second and third must be how much? CH2. So let us see here. C. Okay, C2C means C2 minus C1 is equal to C. C1C. Okay, then 5 minus 3 means it is 2, right? So that difference is 2, correct? Let us check here. 3 minus 2 it is 1C. Now 7 minus 5 it is 2. H2. So we observe that the difference between 1 and 2 or the difference between the 2 and 3, that successive difference is how much? This also certified. Okay, difference character CH3. The third condition, same general formula. See here, they having all the alkane family means Cn H2n plus 2 means what? They having the same general formula. Why general formula? Because of means what? Same family. Okay, family is same here. So we all are alkane family. Alkane means same molecular formula, correct? So see here, it is also alkane, it is also alkane, it is also alkane. If all are alkane means they have same molecular formula. So next point is what? Same molecular formula. It is about alkane, so it is okay. Next one, trend is same. Okay, that is a 3 condition. Okay, if 3 conditions different means it is okay, right? Okay, so because of this, see here, here see carbon 2, carbon is 2 unit and plus 3, how much you see? 15 unit mass. and here see we have again double. Okay, it is double means it is 24. 24 plus 5 it is again 20. So we observe that the mass is increases. So mass increase means the boiling point, melting point also increases. So third point also be holds good. Okay, melting point, boiling point also increases. So we observe that here when we down in this series we observe that the mass is increases. First one 15, then 29. Here how much? 12 3s are 36 plus 7 means it is 43 unit. So again increases. So increase in the mass say that the melting boiling point also increases. So these conditions says that if having same functional group, if having same difference is CH2 and the general formula is same and the trending physical property is trending, okay, increasing, so we say that the given series is a homologous series. So we observe that all these three series are satisfy this condition. Okay, this all three compounds satisfy this condition. So we say that given series is homologous series. Okay, this is the number one point you have to remember, right? So I can take example of alkane. So how we check? I first check these properties. If these properties satisfied means it is what in homologous series. So first condition is check the function for same function group. If same functional means okay, first one is satisfied. Second, check CH3. If CH2 means it is okay, right? Next one, check the general formula and then check the melting point and boiling point. Means to check the mass. If mass increases means we say that the trending is properties increases, right? So if any one condition is failed, then we say that the given series is not homologous series. Means all four conditions must be satisfied. If any one condition is failed means we not say that series as an homologous series. So 100% we must be satisfied all the four properties. Okay, all four conditions must be satisfied to say that the given series is a homologous series. For example, we take alkane. Okay, the same functional group satisfied, CH2 is satisfied, alkane that is same molecular formula, that is CnH2n, all CnH2n plus 2 dissatisfied, and we are calculating the mass increases. So we say that melting point, boiling point is increases. Okay, trending in means increase means one trend is there, right? All increase means one trend, increasing in down the group means it is what a trend, right? So these are what the first example for homologous series. All right, so now we can easily memorize the definition of homologous series. If you understand all three conditions, so easily we can write the definition of homologous series. Simple. A series said to be homologous series if four conditions: the series must be have same functional group, the series must be have different CH2, the series must be have same molecular formula, and the series must be have physical trending. Okay, trend in physical properties means melting point, boiling point must be increases or decreases. One maybe increases or maybe decreases, one trend. Okay, all are increases or all are decreases. One trend is there. One increase, one decrease, one increase is not, that is not trend. Trend means one increases or maybe all decreases, that is trend. Okay, that is satisfy means four condition, we say that is the definition of a homologous series, right? So now take the another family, that is alkene family, right? So please write down this one concept, and after that we can take another example. Okay, so please write this one. Okay, now I can remove this example. Take the second example and try to satisfy that condition. Okay, if the condition satisfied, then we say that the given series is homologous series, right? So I take another example, that is I can take the family alkene family. Okay, example is alkene family. Alkene. So alkene means what is formula, general formula? CnH2. Yes, right, you are right, that is what CnH2n. Now let us see, write the first member of alkene. Okay, so here the first member of alkene is which one? Ethene. You have to remember ethene. Methane is not possible. Why? Because of in methane only one carbon is there. So in alkene we observe that there is double bond compound. Okay, alkene means having carbon double bond. Here only one carbon means another carbon not there, means double formation is the double bond formation failed here. So that is why in the alkene there is no methane. Okay, first member is ethene, that is what the two carbon like that, C double bond C. Okay, C, one single C not possible because other carbon is there to form the double bond. So there is only one carbon, because of that there is no methane in the alkene. Okay, so because of that, the first member of, okay, the first member of alkene is what? Ethene. Okay, write that in the notes. First member of alkene is ethene. Okay, and the first member of alkane is methane. That is okay, but here the first member of alkene is ethene. Why? Because of in the single carbon does not form the double bond. Okay, because of, you observe that alkene having carbon double bond means at least 2 carbons are required. Okay, means that methane is not possible. So first member is ethene. Okay, so now let us see. Ethene means 2 carbon. Okay, 2 carbon means how much here? Total 2 2 is 4. Okay, that is C2H4 is the ethene. Now I can take the functional group, so I can remove one hydrogen, so it is get 3 hydrogen. Okay, in the place of one hydrogen I can take hydrogen, that is a functional group OH. Right, this is the one first member. I then second member C3. Okay, I put C3 here. So see here C3, and then C3 means it is how much? 6. Okay, 6 here, but I can replace one hydrogen by alcohol, so I can make it to 5. Okay, 5, and in the place of one hydrogen I can take OH, right, and take another one. Okay, that is 4 carbon, that is butane. Okay, butene. So butene means 4 means 4 2 is 8. So I write here 8. So I can replace one hydrogen. So okay, I can remove one hydrogen means it is 7. Now in the place of one hydrogen I can make alcohol OH. Okay, OH is an alcohol group. Now let us see this given series is homologous, yes or not. Okay, so satisfy first condition. See the first condition, same functional group. So here the same functional group is there. Check, it is OH, it is OH, it is OH. So means what? Alcohol. So it is having same functional group, right? You are right, that is what the same first condition. Okay, same functional group. Then second condition, difference is CH2. Okay, check here. First this one, 3 minus 2 1, correct. See, then 5 minus 3 it is 2. Okay, right, we get answer. Correct, difference is CH2. Again check here also, 4 minus 3, okay, 1. Then 7 minus 5 it is 2. Okay, right, so 2. So we observe that the success difference also 2. Okay, this house condition also okay. Now third condition, same general molecular formula, right? All are alkene. So see here, 2 4, 1 replace 3, 3 6, 1 replace 5. It is all have same molecular formula because of all are alkenes. So that also satisfied, same molecular formula because of these are alkene family. So CnH2, this also CnH2n, this also CnH2n, and this also CnH2n. So same molecular formula. Then fourth condition, trending. So observe here, trending means increasing the melting point and boiling point, means you must be increase the atomic mass unit. Okay, see here, this here having first one having C, 2 carbon means 12 plus 12 24 plus 3 means it is 27 unit. Now let us here 3 or 12 3 is 36 plus 5 we get 41 U, and then here we observe that 4, 12 4 is 48 plus 7 it is what? 55. So unit. Okay, means what? Increasing the atomic mass. So we say that increasing melting point and boiling point increases. So that is why we say that these all 4 conditions satisfied here. So means that the given series is what? Homologous. Therefore given series is homologous series. Why? Because of they satisfy all the conditions. So like that you have checked in the examination. Okay, so maybe they sometimes direct questions, define homologous series, give example, give the example of any family, alkene, alkene or alkane, alkene or alkyne. Okay, or sometimes they ask like that, they give the compound and they say that check whether the given series is homologous or not. So you have to check these all conditions. If all 4 conditions satisfied, then we say that the given series is homologous series. So hope you understand this concept here. So please write down this one. So I can give homework you have try for alkyne. Okay, you have try for alkyne. So take alkyne and write the 3 or 4 compounds of alkyne and then check this property and say that whether the alkyne family is homologous, yes or not. Okay, it is homework for you, that is homework for you. Okay, that is homework. Okay, how I write here for alkene, that same you follow. Okay, take any 3 or 4 alkenes, write alkene molecule formula, and then check all 4 properties. Okay, if all 4 properties are satisfied, then alkyne also follow homologous series. If any one condition fail means, so it is not a homologous series. Okay, so you can take any function group. Okay, you may take OH, may take aldehyde, may take ketone. Okay, anyone. Okay, your choice. Right. So these are what students about the homologous series. Right. If there is any doubt on this concept, so please comment on, okay, or in the WhatsApp number you can send your doubts, so I can clear it. Okay, so hope this video is pure only for the homologous series. You understand this concept, because very important 1 marks or 2 marks question is there in the next videos. Okay, after the completion of chapters near the examination, we are solve the different questions on the chapter wise. Okay, which type of questions are asked on this, and that again we are clear totally. Okay, so please memorize this definition. 4 conditions very important. If you understand or memorize 4 conditions, you easily can write the definition of a homologous series, right? So this is about the homologous series. Hope you understand this video. In the next video, we are again come with a very important and nice concept, that is what about nomenclature, naming of the hydrocarbons within the presence of functional group. That is very important in the examination also. So in the next video we are take the nomenclature, but it's the only video for the homologous series. So hope you understand and enjoy this video, and meet in the next video with a new important concept. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.